If you want to record screen on a Samsung S25 FE, first of all, you have to open that quick settings panel from the right upper corner and you have to search for screen recorder icon. Now, when you click on this once, you can select if you want to record media sound, media and the microphone, or for example, if you don't want to record any sounds, select first option. Here you can also show tabs and touches, so if you record some kind of the tutorial, it will be much easier for someone to navigate. Click to start recording, you can skip this countdown, and as you can see now we are recording our screen. And here you can find some options. Don't worry, it's not gonna be visible on your screen. I'm talking about this bar. You can even turn on the selfie camera over here and you can mark something. So when you click on this pencil icon, you can change its size and color, and you can basically draw on your screen, select something, and you can also get rid of it by clicking over here. And if you click on this icon, you will finish with this recording. And if you are looking for these records, you have to open the gallery and go for the albums. Here you can find screen recorder icon and you can basically just open this one. And that's all for this video.